In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at WordPress posts, step by step. So let's get started. So on your WordPress dashboard, when you go to posts, you will get options like all posts, add new, categories and tags. Let's select all posts from posts, and here you can see a list of all posts. Here we have title, author, categories, tags, comments and date. You can sort them according to date by clicking on this arrow. On top link, we can see that the order by date in descending order. That means the latest post is on top. Now click on this arrow button, and the order will change to ascending. Here we have number of all posts, published, drafts. You can see draft posts are labeled with draft in the list. Last we have trash. Now let's click on this draft, and here we can see all the draft posts. Then go to trash, and here you can see all the trash posts. On top, we have add new button to add new posts. Click on it. Here first, you need to add your post title, then post content. Now let's go back to all posts. Then open screen options from top. From here, you can customize the columns for this list. If you deselect author, it will disappear from the list. Same goes for all other options as well. Then we have number of items per page is 20. Here we can see, we have only 11 items. You can change this number from these arrows. Then view mode, as compact or extended view. Select the one you like and click on apply button. Let's close the screen options. Thank you for watching.